In the late 19th century, a wave of excitement swept through biblical scholarship. Scholars from various backgrounds and disciplines were abuzz with the possibility of uncovering new insights into early Christian teachings. This excitement was sparked by the rediscovery of a text known as the Gospel of the Holy 12, sometimes called the Gospel of the Nazarenes. This ancient manuscript, with its elegant script and mysterious origins, promised to shed light on the early days of Christianity. This gospel had long been rumored to exist, mentioned only in whispers and fragmented scrolls. For centuries, it was a tantalizing mystery, a piece of the puzzle that many believed could offer profound insights into the life and teachings of Jesus Christ. Then, Reverend Gideon Jasper Ousley claimed to have unearthed a complete manuscript. His discovery was nothing short of revolutionary, as it provided a full account of a gospel that had been lost to history. Ousley's discovery was met with a mixture of intrigue and skepticism. Scholars debated passionately around tables, their faces a mix of curiosity and doubt. Some were eager to embrace this new text, while others questioned its authenticity and origins. The Gospel presented a unique perspective on the teachings of Jesus Christ. Unlike the canonical Gospels, it emphasized themes that were both familiar and revolutionary. It was filled with themes of compassion for all living beings, a vegetarian lifestyle, and a deep connection with the natural world. These teachings resonated with those who sought a more holistic and compassionate approach to spirituality. These ideas resonated with some scholars, while raising eyebrows among others. The notion of Jesus advocating for vegetarianism and a profound connection with nature was both intriguing and controversial. Regardless of its authenticity, the Gospel of the Holy 12 offers a fascinating glimpse into early Christian thought. It challenges us to reconsider the traditional narratives and explore the diverse interpretations of Jesus' teachings. It presents a vision of Jesus as a compassionate teacher who emphasized love, non-violence, and spiritual growth. This portrayal invites us to reflect on the core values of compassion and empathy in our own lives. This Gospel's message, whether taken as historical fact or spiritual allegory, offers valuable insights for modern readers seeking a deeper understanding of their own spirituality. It encourages us to look beyond the surface and delve into the profound wisdom that ancient texts can offer, reminding us that the quest for spiritual growth is a timeless journey. The Gospel of the Holy 12 emphasizes the importance of extending compassion to all living creatures, not just humans. This ancient text serves as a reminder that our moral obligations extend to every being that shares this planet with us. This teaching goes beyond simply showing kindness to other humans. It encourages us to recognize the intrinsic value of all life forms, urging us to act with empathy and respect towards every living creature. It calls for a complete rejection of violence and cruelty in all its forms. This means not only refraining from physical harm, but also advocating for systemic changes that protect the vulnerable and voiceless. One of the most striking aspects of this gospel is its advocacy for a vegetarian lifestyle. By choosing a plant-based diet, we can reduce the suffering of animals and promote a more sustainable way of living. The text portrays Jesus as a strong advocate for animal welfare. His teachings suggest that true spirituality involves caring for all of God's creations, big and small. He teaches that harming any living being goes against the divine order of creation. This perspective invites us to reconsider our daily choices and their impact on the world around us. This message resonates deeply with modern concerns about animal rights and ethical treatment. As society becomes more aware of these issues, the Gospel's teachings offer a timeless guide for compassionate living. The Gospel's call for a compassionate and plant-based lifestyle speaks to the growing awareness of our interconnectedness with all life on Earth. It challenges us to live in harmony with nature, fostering a world where kindness and respect are extended to all beings. The Gospel of the Holy 12 presents a path to spiritual enlightenment. It emphasizes personal transformation through inner work and the cultivation of virtues. This path is not about blind faith or adherence to dogma. It is about aligning oneself with divine truth through self-discovery and spiritual practice. The Gospel stresses the importance of developing qualities like love, forgiveness, humility, and compassion. It teaches that true spiritual growth comes from within. This means nurturing a pure heart and striving to embody divine qualities in one's daily life. One of the most profound teachings in the Gospel of the Holy 12 is the concept of the kingdom of God as an internal state of being. This idea invites us to look beyond the physical and the material, urging us to explore the depths of our own consciousness. This interpretation differs from the more traditional view of the kingdom as a future event or a physical place. Instead of waiting for a distant paradise or searching for a utopian society, this teaching brings the focus back to the present moment and the inner self. According to this gospel, the kingdom of God is not something to be waited for or searched for in the external world. It is not a destination to be reached after a long journey, but rather a state of being that can be realized here and now. It is a state of consciousness, a profound awareness that transcends the ordinary experiences of daily life, offering a glimpse into a higher reality. It is a realm of peace, love, and divine wisdom that can be accessed through spiritual awakening. This awakening is not a one-time event, but a continuous journey of self-discovery and inner growth. This teaching encourages individuals to turn inward and cultivate a deep connection with the divine spark within themselves. By doing so, they can experience a profound sense of unity with all of creation and a deep inner peace that surpasses all understanding. It suggests that true fulfillment and liberation come from realizing the kingdom of God within one's own heart. This realization transforms the way we see the world and our place in it, leading to a life filled with purpose, compassion, and joy. Section 5. Guardians of the Earth. The Gospel of the Holy 12 presents a profound reverence for the natural world. It emphasizes the interconnectedness of all life and stresses the importance of living in harmony with nature. This gospel portrays Jesus as a teacher who found solace and inspiration in nature. He taught his disciples to appreciate the earth as a sacred gift. He urged them to live in a way that honored and protected the delicate balance of creation. Section 6. Love in Action. At the heart of the Gospel of the Holy 12 lies the message of love. This love is not merely a sentiment or an emotion. It is an active force that compels individuals to act with kindness, compassion, and selflessness. The Gospel teaches that true love is expressed through service to others. It encourages individuals to extend a helping hand to those in need, to practice forgiveness, and to treat all beings with respect and dignity. Section 7. The enduring message of the Holy 12. The Gospel of the Holy 12, regardless of its historical origins, offers a compelling message that resonates deeply with modern seekers. Its teachings on compassion, inner wisdom, and environmental stewardship provide a timeless guide for navigating the complexities of life. The Gospel's emphasis on personal transformation and the interconnectedness of all life speaks to the growing desire for spiritual meaning and a more compassionate world. Its message is a call to action, urging individuals to embody these teachings in their daily lives. Section 8. The Gospel's teachings in the modern world. The teachings of the Gospel of the Holy 12 hold particular significance in the 21st century. As humanity faces unprecedented challenges such as climate change, social division, and spiritual unrest, these ancient teachings offer a path forward. The Gospel's call for compassion, non-violence, and environmental stewardship resonates deeply with the need for a more sustainable and compassionate world. Section 9. The importance of open-mindedness. The Gospel of the Holy 12 invites readers to approach its teachings with an open mind and heart. While some may question its historical authenticity, the Gospel's message of love, compassion, and spiritual growth transcends any debate about its origins. Whether viewed as a historical document or a spiritual allegory, the Gospel of the Holy 12 offers valuable insights for anyone seeking to deepen their understanding of themselves and the world around them. Section 10. The Power of Ancient Wisdom. The Gospel of the Holy 12 reminds us of the enduring power of ancient wisdom. This Gospel, like many other sacred texts from various traditions, speaks to the timeless human search for meaning, purpose, and connection. By engaging with these teachings, we open ourselves to new perspectives and possibilities. We gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all life and the importance of living in harmony with ourselves, each other, and the planet. Section 11, a call to action. The Gospel of the Holy 12 is not simply a text to be read and admired, it is a call to action. It challenges us to embody its teachings in our daily lives and to become agents of positive change in the world. By embracing compassion, practicing non-violence, and honoring the sacredness of all life, we can contribute to a more just, peaceful, and sustainable world. The teachings of the Gospel of the Holy 12 offer a roadmap for this journey of personal and collective transformation.